Notes MS Lingachan. Kalasagaram is 57-year-old organization. It's a pioneering organization in the Twin Cities. We conduct every year annual festival wherein nearly 1,000 to 1,200 people come every day. It's a 10-day festival. We invite the best of the classical artists from all over India, and we also patronize dance and drama. Kalasagaram has do conduct monthly concerts, and it's a very popular organization, and over a period the best of the artists in the country, namely MS Subbulakshmi, DK Pattammal, and now
ML Vasanta Kumari,
ML Vasanta Kumari, Nedinuri Krishnamurthy, all these stalwarts have performed here. Now today's top artists of Carnatic music have won the youth competitions in Kalasagaram, where they have won the Tambura prize when they were young. And today, so this year's music competition, 150 participants were there. And they came, and next year we want to do it pan-India and global, online as well as physical. So Twin Cities should be proud of such an organization. We welcome one and all to become life members of Kalasagaram.
So what is the life membership?
Our life membership is 10,000 one-time fee, and it is considered as a donation where we give 80p, and where 2 members are allowed for all the programs, including our monthly concerts. Last year we did 65 monthly concerts, and we did in collaboration 15 concerts in collaboration with All India Radio.
Yes. Today, all these 10 days program also.
Yeah. We have 10 days festival. Today it was inaugurated by Justice Madhavi, and today we have the number one vocalist Sanjay Subramaniam, who is Sangeeta Kalanidhi, and is globally popular. Tomorrow we are giving Kalasagara, Sangeeta Kalasagara, our annual award. Tomorrow we are giving to Veena Srinivas Garu, who is a very senior artist with All India Radio Hyderabad, and also Dwaram Satyanarayana Garu, who is a violinist. So very rarely we give to 2 stalwarts, and both the stalwarts hail from our city.
Yes.
And we also have Ranjini Gayatri, who are again the best today's topmost rated leading female vocalists, Ranjini Gayatri sisters. They are going to also perform. We also going to have Abhishek Raghuram, Jugalbandi on the last day. We have Dr. Alekia Ensemble dance, and we also have 2 Tamil dramas, number of other artists. And actually the Rasikas of Twin Cities of classical music look forward to this annual event. Year by year we are bettering our performance. Thank
So how many members do you have in Kalasagar? As of
We have nearly about 520 members, and then many got enrolled today, and maybe it will reach to 550 members.
See, these are fixed members, but there are a lot of people who walk in, who buy tickets, and one great thing is to favor Rasikas. We have also a free enclosure. That is, no, it is not that a Rasika who cannot afford any fee is also open to watch from the free enclosure the best of the artists in the country. The whole 10-day program costs us between 25 and 30 lakhs, including the infrastructure, the sound system, and the honorarium to the artists.
So do you want to prolong this in future also you want to?
Yeah. This is the yearly event. This is the 57th year we are doing. This is not the one-time event. It is around these dates. In this month, November, we normally
November last week to
this
December
time we got it little delayed. But actually now a lot of sabhas all over the country are appreciating Kalasagaram for the galaxy of artists we are. See, many sabhas now are doing only for 3 days, 5 days.
Yes.
Now 10 days event is a rarity, and but Kalasagaram is doing year after year.
Thank you.
General Secretary of Kalasagaram. Kalasagaram is one of the earliest organizations. It was formed way back in 1957. 1967. It has completed 57 years. And then this year we are conducting the 57th Annual Cultural Festival of Music, Dance, Drama. It's a 10 days program. All big stalwarts who are presently the Carnatic music are performing. We are starting the concert with Sanjay Subramaniam. We are starting the concert with Sri Sanjay Subramaniam. Today is the inaugural day, and then tomorrow we have Sri D. Srinivas and then Sri Dwaram Satyanarayan Rao, and then we are conferring the title Sangeeta Kalasagara on them, and then followed by a Veena concert by Sri D. Srinivas, and on the third day, that is 2nd December, we have the concert of the well-known, very famous sisters Ranjini Gayatri. They will be performing on the 2nd December, and on the 3rd December we have Miss Aishwarya Vidya Raghunath, and on the 5th day we are having NJ Nandini, and on the 6th day we have Bharat Sundar, and then we have on the 6th day we have a dance recital by Srimati Alekia Punjala, and on the 7th day we have the vocal concert of Bharat Sundar, and on the 8th and 9th day we have 2 Tamil dramas, and on the 10th day we have a Jugalbandi by Abhishek Raghuram, who will be accompanying or singing along with Praveen Godkindi on Hindustani flute. So this is a 10 days program. Kalasagaram is going strength by strength, and then we want to take it to the next level. And then this has been, you will find the all is full today. There's an overwhelming response, and we are thankful to the Rasikas of the Twin Cities. Thank you.
So how as an organizer, how do you feel, and privileged to?
Yeah. It's a big privilege to be part of Kalasagaram. Kalasagaram, as I said, was formed in the year 1967, and then last 56 years we have done the concerts, and then we also do monthly concerts. It's not just the annual series. Monthly concerts also we provide the platform for up and coming artists. From not only local, we also bring artists from all over India, from Chennai, Karnataka, and Bombay, and many other places. So we have been performing this for last 56 years, and then as I said, this is the 57th year.
So this is coming from the hierarchy, or your people are
Yeah.
from your family?
No,
background?
it's not the family. It's organization is run by professional people, and in last several years there have been many who have brought Kalasagaram to this stage, and then we have this new committee has taken over in 2 years back, 2023. This committee has taken over, and then we want to take it to the next level, as I said.
Sir, how many stalwarts have been
Oh yeah,
involved in this?
yeah. Many
Since
big names like
Yeah.
Bharat Ratna, M.S. Subbalakshmi, Maharajaram Santanam, Lalgudi Jayaraman, Balgat Devi Narayan Swami, Dr. M.L. Vasantakumari, Srimati D.K. Pattamal. They were all Dr. Mangalampalli Balamuli Krishna Garu, Neduri Krishnamurti Garu, all SLDS masters have performed in Kalasagaram. And then now present day, maybe Naivari Santanu Gopalan Garu and Sudha Raghunathan Garu, Sanjay Subramaniam, who is performing today, is also
He's
Sangeet
also
Kalanidhi.
Vidwan, yeah.
And many Abhishek Gurugram, T.M. Krishna, all of them have performed.
So the stalwarts are very much interested to perform in your program.
Yes. They all look forward to
Look
the
forward.
annual series. All the big names. They always when we invite them, they come very wholeheartedly. They come and then perform.
So how many upcoming artists who have been encouraged by your organization?
As I said,
since,
last year we have conducted somewhere around 65 concerts, of which at least 50% of them are from the up and coming artists.
This
That's
is
how.
only in Telangana or South India or
South India, as I said, we bring artists from Chennai. Locally, we promote artists locally also. That's how. From overseas also, people have come and performed. Budding artists have come and performed.
Who are your now office bearers or else?
Yeah.
Secretary?
See,
Just
it's all professionally run.
tell the
company.
names. Actually.
Yeah. See, I'm the general secretary. I'm a chartered accountant basically, and then I'm working as vice president finance in Biologically Limited. And then our Mr. G.V. Sethuraman is the president. He's an industrialist. And then we have Mr. Ravi Chandar is a senior advocate as vice president. And then Mr. Ravi Shankar Aisola, who's IFS retired. And we have Mr. Shankar Bala, a senior chartered accountant. And then we have Mr. Vikram is also a chartered accountant. So they're all vice presidents. And Mr. Ram Kaundina is another industrialist. They are the vice presidents. And then we have myself, the secretary, and then two joint secretaries. One of them is ex-banker. And then we have members, executive members who are professionally qualified, chartered accountants, company secretaries. And then it's a good team to work with.
Nice.
Thank you very much.